In this video, I'm going to provide you with 3 different content ideas for Instagram Reels and TikTok that aren't dancing. So you don't have to dance on Instagram Reels. You can actually use these on TikTok as well, but I'll do a separate video to talk about TikTok content. So if you're ready, then let's do this. Let's take flight. All right, so my number one way to create content is by doing a talking head, which is basically what I'm doing here. So what you're going to do is just talk directly into the camera about whatever topic or niche that you have and provide some value to your audience in the reel, but you want to make sure that you're putting that to music, right? So you want to just have an underlining piece of the music playing while you're actually talking. The second way that you can create Reels content without dancing is by utilizing text on screen. So you can actually be doing something else. You could be typing, you could be walking your dog, whatever it is that you're doing. You can show something just really pretty and beautiful outside, and then you can just put text on the screen that overlays either a quote or a message that you want to put out to the world, and then combine that with music. And then the third and final way that you can create Instagram Reels without dancing is by utilizing what I call the business music video. So what the business music video is that you're doing your actual work, right? So it's a little bit different than So it's actually you walking someone through what you're doing. It can also be a kind of sort of behind the scenes type of thing, right? Where you're actually showing people your process, the way that you do things in your reels. You're doing an actual action and the work that you actually do. So you're showcasing it and you're actually promoting it without promoting it, right? So it's a little sneaky hack of showing people kind of what you do and the outcomes that you can bring to their lives and the value you can bring to their lives through your product or your service without actually saying it out of your mouth, right? You're showing the actions and the things that you do or things that you've done or projects that you've completed or finished. It can also, like I said, be behind the scenes where you're showing how you make something or how you put something together or how you sew something. So those are my 3 top ways that you can make Instagram Reels without dancing. So let me know down in the comment section. Go ahead and leave me a comment below. Which one of these ways will you be using to dance on, or to not dance, I should say, on Instagram Reels? Like I have a whole video. You don't have to dance on Instagram Reels because you don't have to dance on Instagram Reels. I do, but you don't, okay? You don't have to dance on Instagram Reels. See, you don't have to dance on Instagram Reels. You really don't. You can create content in your own way with your own style. I believe all of us have a content style, content flavor. Find yours. I'll see you in the next video. So you've watched this video. Go ahead and watch more videos here on my channel and make sure you hit that subscribe button to get more notifications on when I upload the next video. It's going to teach you all about monetization, everything you wanted to know. Peace.